Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your yoga studio business. For example, you have a yoga studio business in where your users wants to know about the membership plans, schedules and information about instructor. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your yoga studio business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of yoga studio, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to Inner Peace Yoga Studio, your space for balance, strength and mindfulness. How can we help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is membership plans, view schedule and about instructor. If I'll click on membership plan, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me the plans details they are offering to their clients. If I'll click on view schedule, then you can see it will provide me all the details of the weekly class schedule, including days, timing and one button, that is book now button. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will ask me for my full name. So here I am providing them my full name. Here I provided. After that you can see it will ask me for the preferred date for booking. So here I am giving them one date. Here I provided. After that you can see it will ask me to select the time slot while providing me 3 different types of time slot, that is 6 AM to 7 AM, 7 AM to 8 AM and 6 PM to 7 PM. If I'll click on 6 AM to 7 AM, then you can see it will respond to me like this, that booking confirmed. Thank you Mehruz Khan for booking with us, while providing me the appointment date that I have given them here and my name. Now if I'll click on about instructor, then you can see it will provide me all the details of the instructors, including their experience, speciality, languages, etc. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your yoga studio business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your yoga studio business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your client that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of Yoga Studio. Now I want to write one welcome message for my client. For that, I am clicking on this text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my welcome message. Here I write it. At the end of this message, you can see I'll ask my client that how can we help you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as membership plans. The second button I'll write as view schedule. And the third button I'll write as about instructor. Here I write it. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our welcome message. Now, if my clients wants to know the membership plans that are provided by my yoga studio business, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the membership plans that are available in my yoga studio business. Here I write it. Now, the second one is the view schedule. If my clients will click on this, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some available schedules. Here I write it. I am also giving them one button, that is book now button. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write as book now. Here I write it. Now if my clients will book an appointment in my yoga studio, then they will click on this button, book now button. So my bot will respond to them. At first I'll ask them to provide their full name, then date, and after that the preferred time for booking. For that, I am clicking on this action option. Choose button as ask a question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question as please provide your full name. See, here I write it. In this select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here the format I'll select as text, number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your clients, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book now to this message, so that whenever my clients will click on this book now button, then at first my bot will ask them about their full name. After that, I want to know the date of booking, so that I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing the question that please provide the preferred date for booking. Here I write it. In the select contact custom field, I'll select as date and the format I'll select as date. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. It is connected. After that, when my clients will provide me their name as well as the booking date, then I'll ask them about the timing. So for this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and writing one message in this enter message box that choose a time slot. See, here I write it. Now I am giving them 3 timings. That is 6 a.m. to 7 a.m., 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. After that, whenever my clients will provide me their full name, their date of booking and the time slot, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this messages option and choose button as text button. Drag this message box here and writing one booking confirmation message. Here I write it. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name and this date also, because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my clients by their name. In simple words, this symbol is used for sending or storing manual data of clients because different users have different name. Now I am connecting this circle to this circle to this and this to this. The response would be the same. Now the third one is the about instructors. If my clients wants to know about the instructors, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about the instructor. See, here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your yoga studio business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your clients like this. It will book appointment, provide them membership plans and all the information you want to share with your clients. You can create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your yoga studio business. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.